Hi, I'm Andy, and welcome to Bry Farm. Today we're making the French fries. Well, you gotta interview me.
What you doing today?
We're getting another big load of potatoes.
What kind of potatoes?
I don't know, ones in the ground. So, we gotta get rid of the plastic.
What's going on now?
Picking potatoes. Look, Tamara, there's potatoes in the dirt.
Potatoes?
Hey, bye. It's the mother load. There's potatoes and potato bugs everywhere. Well, the spuds are big on the back of Bud's rig. Oh, big-sized French fries, how they love tomatoes. Dress 'em up with Heinz ketchup. Ketchup loves potatoes. Ketchup loves potatoes. Hey, bye. What you picking?
Tomatoes.
Well, it's always important to have your oil level. So we do that with some horseshoes. Oh, yes, bye. Gotta get that temperature up there if you're gonna be frying these potatoes. Well, when that red hand hits that red line, it's time. Hey, bye. Hey, Tamara. What kind of potatoes are those?
Redskin PEI, bye.
Redskin PEIs. There's no redskins in PEI.
What are you talking about?
They kicked them all off the island years ago. Haven't you ever heard a guy from PEI talk about the redskins?
No.
We're gonna eat these ones. So we blanched them for 4 minutes. Let them cool for another 4 minutes, brought it up to 400 degrees, and then we're just gonna wait until they float. Mayonnaise loves potatoes.